Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen and welcome if this is your first time stopping by. So today's video is going to be another unboxing video. This one is going to be kind of quick and short and to the point. I do have a few more coming up and I know that some of you guys might not enjoy these kinds of videos, but I have a lot of things that I want to haul and I don't want to do it all in one, so kind of each thing gets its own little, I guess, spotlight on it. So today's video is going to be an unboxing from Burberry. So this is the bag I received when I went to the Burberry store in Chicago. It was such an amazing experience, probably my favorite experience so far, but like shopping in a luxury store or buying from a luxury brand. And I really liked the lady that we worked with. She was just absolutely so sweet and made the experience very enjoyable. So we did buy two things there, me and my boyfriend. My boyfriend did purchase something I do not have because he's not here with me today, but I did buy something for myself while we were there. And Burberry is trying to kind of reinvent themselves. They have a new TB for Thomas Burberry, I believe his name is. So the TB bags are very prominent right now and they have a lot of new styles coming out and I'm just very all for it. I think they're doing a really great job reinventing themselves. However, I do still really like a lot of their classic, checkered or plaid pattern. Plaid? Yeah, I think it's a plaid pattern, and I am kind of on a Burberry kick. A lot of things that they're coming out with I'm really interested in trying or looking at, so I'm very excited to see where this brand is going. So back to what I actually purchased. First, the bag is like a brown bag with cloth straps, very nice and sturdy, but this bag is very deceiving because I did not get something that's nearly big enough to fit in this bag. So inside this bag is the Burberry dust bag. It's just kind of like almost a minty green color, cream minty green color. Apparently Thomas Burberry's favorite color is mint green, or the creative director's favorite color is like a mint green. Not exactly sure who it was again, but they did mention it. So it just opens like a regular dust bag, and inside is this adorable card holder. So this, I don't remember the exact name of it, but it's an accordion card holder. This is the light pink color. It came also in black, red, and a nude, but of course I'm going to go with the light pink. That's just who I am. It still has some of the packaging sticking on it, which I just haven't touched. But it comes with these beautiful embossed TBs all over it with the two gold snaps, and the snaps have little plastic covers on them. And then when you open it, it snaps open and you get an accordion card holder, which is really cool. This is the tag, so maybe this will have the name of what it's called on here. This is the Jessie TB embossed monogram in the shade rose beige. So that is what this bag is, or what this is, and this costs $350. So it's really nice. You get a little area in the back here, the second middle section, the front middle section, and then you get a little snap pocket in the front. So it just snaps open, and this is a good place for coins or cash. And I thought that this was a really unique idea because I haven't seen any card holders that had this similar layout, and it really caught my attention. So for $350, this is a pretty pricey item. It's not a card holder like a basic card holder. I'm starting to get a lot of those, and I'm kind of trying to find things that are a little bit different. So I'm glad that I was able to find this, and I think that it is going to be a wonderful addition to my collection. I've been kind of more collecting luxury card holders rather than bags. So you'll see some bags, but you'll also see a majority of card holders here on my channel when you see more of my unboxings. So a lot of card holders, not as many bags, but I think that each card holder is special in its own way, and this one really caught my eye. So I'm really excited to start using this. Again, I've been waiting to unbox all of these things so that I can start using them because I wanted to make sure that you guys saw my kind of first impression since I've opened them or since I bought them. But yeah, so this is the TB Burberry card holder, and this is so sweet. So if you guys are looking for a new card holder that has a little bit of a different layout, something that is kind of multi-functional with that extra little flap here in the front, I highly recommend this. I haven't seen any other brand make something quite as cool and different as this layout for a card holder, and I think that this will be a good one. So Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing of the card holder, and if you guys like videos like this, you should definitely hit the subscribe button down below. I make videos like this, or I also make videos of makeup and Disney and lifestyle, so stay tuned. If you guys want to join my family here on YouTube, I would love to have you. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you all very, very soon, and have a great rest of your day. Bye guys!